Assalamu alaikum everyone. So BONK is red due to Bitcoin dropping right now. It's not only BONK, but some few altcoins are looking to be in trouble, at least now momentarily. Now we still have a technical target all the way up to nearly 1553, but due to Bitcoin actually collapsing, because no matter how good your altcoins are going to look like, if Bitcoin messes up, you have a very slim chance of your altcoin to really play out. Now let's hope this is not coming down to 1161. If you do come down to 1161, it's going to be first negative sign. If you fall down to 951, that's going to be even way more worse. Okay, so if you want to keep an eye on this one. I think there's a trend line for BONK and it's right over here if you look at it. Okay, so if you do have a little bit of a pattern going on, and if you start to lose this trend line as well, we can actually look at this on the 1 hour time frame. So you do got a first touch with a move up, you got the second touch with the move up, and you are coming down here. If you touch it again, you can actually move again to the upside and continue the journey to 1553. Now however, if you end up closing like this and hit your head, then you could be looking for the first move towards 1199. And if you lose 1199 and come to 1165 and lose it, then that's where you're going to be probably dropping to 1027. Now this video, you don't have to remember word to word or memorize the numbers. All you can do is just come to the video, because I've already told you how it's going to play out. Here's your first support the coin. If you lose that support, move it, and retest and fail, come down. That's going to be this target first of all, and then you lose this one, retest, then you're looking for 1026, and if you come to 951, it's game over. Okay, 951 is a place where you don't want to come down to. And that's pretty much all for this quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.